All right, group, let's talk about the isosceles triangle theorem. This states that if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite those sides are also congruent. So what that means is that if I was told that AB and CB are congruent, then that would imply that angle A and angle C are congruent to each other. The converse, which means the opposite of that, is also true. So that if I was told that angle A and angle C are congruent, that would imply that side AB and side CB are congruent to each other. So let's put this into practice on example number 4. So go ahead and flip your page there to example number 4. Okay, so we know that in part A, these two sides are congruent to each other. That implies that these two angles right here, those are congruent to each other. So we can go ahead and set them equal and solve. And I know that you already know how to solve that, so go ahead and pause your note video here and solve that, and then we'll come back and check your answer. All right, to check your answer, here we are. That would be 80. X equals 80. All right, let's go ahead and do letter B here. Okay, so letter B shows us that angle S and angle T are congruent, and that's because of these markings here. So that tells us that these two sides are equal, so we can set them equal to each other and solve this equation. Go ahead and pause your video and solve the equation for yourself, and we'll come back and check your answer. All right, group, let's go ahead and give it a check. All right, you should have gotten X equals 12.